Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on an Android device. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just need some time away, deactivating your account is a simple process. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down the menu until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to expand the options. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Settings. Now find the Account Center section and tap on it. Within the Account Center menu, scroll down until you find Personal Details option and tap on it. Within Personal Details section, tap on Account Ownership and Control option. Here, tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Then tap on your profile. You'll be presented with 2 options: Deactivate Account and Permanently Delete Account. Since we're deactivating the account, tap on Deactivate Account and hit Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password for security purposes. Once you've entered your password, tap on Continue to proceed. Now, you may get the option to provide feedback or simply confirm your decision to deactivate your account. Tap on Continue to confirm. Congratulations! You've successfully deactivated your Facebook account on your Android device. You can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back in. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on deactivating your Facebook account. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.